Hey photographers, Nikki O'Donovan here from Master Creative Photography, and in today's video I want to share with you how we created our snow overlays. This is so much fun. It's taking photographs of falling snow. So it's optically captured, it's the real thing, and I tell you what, it adds so much authenticity to your images. Now, all you need to accomplish this is falling snow, a black piece of cardboard, and of course your camera. Dress warmly, and you need an assistant, somebody that can help you. Just hold up that piece of black cardboard and then you just snap away. You're going to use a variety of shutter speeds, a variety of f-stops, and this way you get snow bokeh. What I would do is I would take handfuls of snow and throw it up against the black cardboard, so my camera had something to focus on, and so you would get some focus on the snow and then the blurred snow bokeh happening, and you get depth of field. It would give dimension, and nothing like the real thing, as I said. So next time you have falling snow, now you know exactly how to get your own snow overlays. And so thanks for joining me on this video. I hope you found that fun, and until next time, cheers guys.